With the increase of internet use, commercial banks in Thailand have offered internet banking to meet demand for online services. Tech Savvy will bring you to one commercial bank that offers internet or online banking as a channel for services. Online banking, sometimes referred to as internet or e-banking, enables customers to do financial transactions through the website of the financial institute. Thai Military Bank or TMB Bank has launched 2 years ago a product called Me by TMB, calling itself a self-service banking. As the name suggests, bank customers can do financial transactions on their own online or even check for their balance account through its call center without having to visit a physical bank. The Me Bank account does not include a passbook or an ATM card. Withdrawals are done through money transfer from your Me account to your other bank accounts through online channel or call center. Meanwhile, deposits are done through account-to-account deposit, a check, or a cash deposit machine. The bank promises convenience for users as they can transfer money any time of the day.
And to address, I think, the point that we don't have a bank book or an ATM, we consider that actually as a strength because the bank book, you have to carry it around. But we have it, the only thing you want to know from your bank book is how much money you have. And actually you want to know that right now. You don't want to wait until the next day. So we have an online version of your passbook where you can still see how much money you have at any time of the day, or you can call the call center. So the key advantage is that it's real time. You know what amount you have, and you don't have the risk of your passbook being stolen or your ATM card that you get lost and then you have no access to your money. That problem is not there.
When applying for an account, users need to fill in their personal information on the website worldwideweb.mebytmb.com and visit one of the 4 branches called Me Place to verify the information and confirm their identity. Customers need to bring their Thai national ID card and account numbers of no more than 3 other bank accounts under their name. To use an account, they will be given a login and a password. Me is meant to be used as a savings account, according to the bank executive, and not meant for bill payment, as it promises a high return of your savings with an interest rate of 3.75%. This rate applies for new applicants within August. The executive said because the bank has few branches, it saves costs and returns the cost to customers. There's no minimum deposit to open an account, and the deposit is not on a fixed basis. Me by TMB's managing director describes how widespread online banking is in Thailand.
We would like to compare us a little bit more with self-service banking, and self-service banking is a bigger concept. However, if you touch just on the online part, so this is one of our channels. Today, I think in Thailand, we have about 6.9 million online bank accounts. However, this is customers who use multiple bank accounts. So the number of customers is a little bit less, but you see this is growing quite fast as a steady pace. Already it's grown about at the 10 to 20% per quarter, or from the last, let's say from the last quarter to this quarter, it's grown already about 10%.
When comparing the behavior of Thai people to others in the Asia-Pacific region, the bank executive said Thailand is still at the beginning phase to grow.
For example, on Singapore, you see this trend is already a lot further, and people are more and more involved in social media, the use of mobile phones, the way their life drives, almost I would say, about the use of applications on their mobile phone, the use of internet. They really connect fast, and that's also they consume all the information very fast. And that way of lifestyle links there to the banking much more than today. So here, where for instance in Singapore, that's already integrated far more in the adoption rate of using mobile and internet for banking. In Thailand, you see it starting a lot in the big cities on how they adapt into social media. Thailand is one of the biggest growth countries in that, and how they start to compare, shop around on internet that will really drive the use of other devices or other channels in banking.
At the moment, Me by TMB branches are still available only in Bangkok, as it is believed that the lifestyle of Bangkokians accommodate this kind of banking service. This wraps up this episode of Tech Savvy. See you again next Thursday.